Hey, where did everyone go? I swear, I heard, some sound. Uh, someone here? Oh, well. I don't think anyone's here. Now, hopefully nothing bad really happens. Um, well, I'm no cool what to do. Uh, oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, what? Oh dear gosh. Oh gosh. Leipzig, one of the few maps that has a ton of, it's gonna make you get to work my wiki, but it's one of the maps, and it's important, known for the Battle of Leipzig. Probably one of the most important battles during the, whatever it's called. But it's kind of nighttime at the same time, not raining. It's a little bit weird, but Well, good news about this map is that you have a ton of nations to play as, so your regiment packs will be really useful. Or just a ton of regiments to play as. It's a moderate map. Yeah, now it's located in the Kingdom of Sax. Wait, oh, it's a Kingdom of Sax. Okay. Okay. So, what's special about this map? Well, you start in a church. This map spawns with a church, and it actually has two tracks. That's a little bit different from the tracks that we've been doing. Besides, I'll say, good news. We have another one. We have another. What's this? I forgot what it's called, but it's in modern Germany, so you can still visit Germans. On the Frank warning, it's moderate. It's only 80 and 60 on respawn. There's only one respawn. This map is okay. Lore-wise, it's not really that good, I'd say. Maybe a 5 out of 10. There's not really that much to the lore. That's its issue. There's nothing really wrong with it. It's a decently fine map. It's just a little short with a respawn. I'd say it's pretty good at the end. So, a moderate. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. This is the first 5 out of 10. I'm sorry, Leipzig fans, but this map has potential. That's good news. I kind of love the map. Kind of. I would say because the lore-wise just tanks it a lot. I would love if it got updated or revamped. But, moderately right now, it's either a 5 or a 6. Lore-wise and gameplay. Gameplay-wise, it's... rest in peace, soldier. But lore-wise, it's a 5. That's what I meant. Lore-wise, it's 5. Remember, people, these are my opinions. Lore-wise, it's a 5. The gameplay is moderately fine. It's better than San Sebastian. It doesn't get repetitive for some reason. Or maybe it does, but there's so many zombies spawning in. So sappers become necessary. And I love how you can just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 nations. Probably one of the biggest, normally one of the most highest amounts of playable nations in the beginning and the end. So that's a really good thing. So, oh my, it's just burnt. Well, that happened. But, the objective, moderately fine. The mechanics is you move a wagon and you have torches, which give you a source of light. Sorry, Jack of Lanterns. This map has something better. In my opinion. So you push the wagon. Yes, it can get repetitive as it's short. Doesn't have depth. Like, these maps, moderate. This map is moderately okay. These maps are moderately okay. Let's close that so that you know there's much. But, some of these moments that you should throw tar bottle. So it's just since I have the tar bottle, I just go through this. Okay, so you should throw the tar bottle here and here when you're over here. That'll give you some time. That's 2 spawning spots, so that will be really good. So you should definitely use that for that. Okay, this part is just a little bit like silence. There's nothing really crazy to it. But now we light it, and boom, boom. The reason why I do this is because this one, oh gosh, that's really low. But this one's very short. The reason why I didn't want to do sand is because that's just a whole like fight through. So, what should you use here? There's cannons up there, so you can use them. I would recommend because they're over there. But it's kind of poor aiming. Makes sense-ish, but you can't really use it. There's cannons up there. I don't know why it's activating that since it says ring the bell. Like, I have no clue why it's not activating, but let's just say that. Okay, so for here, I would recommend building the verifications because there are queer shifts. And you have to wait to, you have to prepare for the horde. So you should always be prepared. Oh, wait, I guess this ran out. There's no fire sprinklers. So what to do with that? So, let's go ring the bell. Let's check what's inside this church also. There's a respawn point over there. Wait, let me test it. Does it only work on, like... Yeah, it doesn't work. It's only that one fire. Alright, that's sad. Well, testing. But, sure. So, how do you ring the bell? PC, at least. I think you press... It's not the quick button, it's E. So let's check some stuff in here. You got some books, not really any names on them. Besides, that's a Roblox emblem. You got a chimney, some barricaded areas. I have no clue what did that, but that's a jar. So, that's right here. You ring the bell to hopefully get some. But! Artillery fans, it's what you're in luck. 3 times in a row, cannons that you can use. So, you're in luck. Artillery fans. I wonder when they'll be back with no artillery at all. I mean, yeah, I wonder. But the soundtrack will play Last Stand in ODSD. Sadly, it's not an actual track. I don't think, at least, that you can listen to out of this. So, I'm just going to skip objective to me. Okay. There's actually a character named Jacob, and I will show you later on. But the bridge is actually going to explode. The first map to have this. The first map in this timeline specifically. Since I did not look at the other stuff. But, looks like the bridge is about to blow. You gotta go quickly. Don't worry, the fuse isn't short like Jacob. I'll show Jacob later since I easily just skipped it. Sorry. But, it's gonna explode. Usually a soundtrack would be playing, so sorry guys. Look, we escaped. Yay! Jacob, the only NPC, and I'm sorry guys that I did not show it, but he's not really that major of a character, sorry. But you can actually technically recreate it. Technically. You could get... Well, sadly, he's made his barrel too short, so well, you can look like him. Yeah, that's what I meant. It's very easy. Just get this face. Get a torch. Just equip the regiment. So, but he is players and he assists and he helps them in game. He looks like the Knight of the Hour. He is sadly deceased. When he reaches the graveyard finale, so he is actually partially important to the gameplay, as we would be surrounded by zombies without a way to escape. So, thank you, Jacob. That's a good thing. Thank you, Got Some Black Powder Wiki, but yeah, this was a little more shorter than expected. Sadly. Um, well, let's get to the conclusion now. Oh, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Please just sub, but and then comment if you want to see me die, a different way.